Pnawn da?
Na, na.
Pnawn da, ffrindiau, sut ydych chi? 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 Dwi'n dda iawn, diolch. Reit, da iawn. So, dwi ddim mynd i ddechrau beth bynnag, okay? Achos mae pobl eraill yn siarad efo Radio Cymru o beth o felly, right, okay? Yn anffodus, dyn ni tipyn bach yn hwyr, achos dyn ni wedi bod yn surfio. So, I have been doing something, dwi wedi. So, fan hyn, dych chi'n cofio, diwrnod o'r blaen, we did the dwi'n, I'm currently doing something. So, rwan, dwi'n siarad. That's what I'm doing now. Dwi'n siarad. And you could say, dwi'n eistedd. I'm sitting. Dwi'n gwrando. I'm listening. Yeah, dwi'n gwrando. Okay? So, but dwi'n, but os ydych chi'n cymryd yr N allan a roi wedi, I have done something. So, bore yma, dwi wedi mynd, I have gone, right, I have been to, dwi wedi mynd i Porth Neigl a dwi wedi bod yn surfio. I have been surfing. Dwi wedi bod yn surfio. So, nawn ni, tipyn bach o dwi wedis i ddechrau, before, just cicio i ffwrdd, cyn i wneud rhywbeth arall. Felly, dwi wedi. So, dwi wedi. I have done something, okay? Dwi wedi. Ac mae'n bosib, right, os ydych chi'n dweud dwi wedi plus y verb, o dwi wedi bod yn. Blah, blah, blah. So, os ydych chi'n dweud dwi wedi surfio means I have surfed. Dwi wedi bod yn surfio, I have been surfing. So, na ten, dych chi'n gallu dweud, wythnos yma, think of things you've done this week. Wythnos yma, dyma ni.
Dwi wedi...
Dysgu Cymraeg.
Dwi wedi dysgu Cymraeg, ardderchog. So, okay, so dwi wedi dysgu Cymraeg.
We've ripped open the pigeon and...
Oops, dwi wedi dysgu Cymraeg. Dwi wedi... well, paratoi colomen. Dwi wedi paratoi colomen. Beth arall? What else have we done this week?
What does that mean?
Prepare the pigeon. Prepare, paratoi the pigeon. Darllen. Dwi wedi darllen. Yeah, dwi wedi darllen. Dwi wedi darllen.
Dwi wedi...
Canu.
Singing.
Canu.
C-A-U.
C-A-U is closed. Close.
Oh.
Do you mean singing?
No, I meant...
You went singing.
Going out.
Going out.
Mynd allan. Dwi wedi mynd allan.
So you know that.
Yes. And dwi wedi paratoi crank.
Oh, right, wedi paratoi crank. Oh, yeah.
Oh, but what's stuffing a crab?
Stuffio crank, okay?
Stuffio crab.
So wedi paratoi, wedi stuffio.
Stuffio a crank.
Dwi wedi mynd i'r cwrw barn a wedi yfed cwrw gyda bechyn da.
Yeah.
I've been drinking beer and beer and beer and beer.
Mynd i... Dwi wedi mynd i'r Bragdy. Right, y Bragdy, the brewery.
I've been at the
Brewery, ti'n cofio?
Yes, we went to the brewery.
Dwi wedi mynd i'r Bragdy ac yfed cwrw.
Dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed.
Dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed. Da iawn. Chwarae pêl-droed. Chwarae...
That's enough now, isn't it?
Cysgu.
Oh, yeah.
Cysgu.
Dwi wedi cysgu.
Lots of sleep.
No, yeah, dwi wedi
Not very
cysgu.
much.
Lots of sleep.
So dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed, dwi wedi cysgu, dwi wedi sgorio gol.
Or sent off.
Danfon I ffwrdd,
What would we say that the Bear Grylls experience was? What was that? It was... Oh, it was surviving in the...
So danfon I ffwrdd to send off. So you could say, dwi wedi danfon Ioan I ffwrdd. I sent Ioan off.
Dwi wedi danfon.
So dwi wedi danfon Ioan I ffwrdd. I sent Ioan off. Can't think why though.
Say it.
Oedd hi ar y cae pel droed.
Say it, baby.
Say it.
Say it, baby.
So, iawn,
Mae Jenna wedi...
Jenna Beth, dwi wedi...
Yfed yn llawer o fodca.
Llawer o vodka. Dwi wedi yfed llawer o vodka. Iawn, da iawn, okay. Yn straight, efo coc yn dyfyn yr
Lot o fodca.
Yeah. Right, so dwi wedi yfed llawer o vodka.
You should have said scream. What scream? That's what she's done.
Screaming. I have been screaming.
Yeah.
Okay,
good at
dwi wedi
Screamio.
sgrechian,
Sgrechian.
tipyn bach.
Just a little.
Yeah. Dwi wedi sgrechian tipyn bach, ie?
Kiss.
Was on your top. Was it?
Oh, scooch.
Cwtsio.
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 Cwtsio. So it's
There
cyrrw.
was a kiss one as well.
Kisani.
S-Y-C-K.
Who have you been kissing?
I haven't been kissing anyone.
Well, why do you want to know?
It was on somebody's shot at top.
Oh, it was on my top. It says Kutch.
No, not
So what do you say for speaking?
It's on Suzanne's
Siarad.
top then.
Sorry, no.
I think so.
Kutch.
Cwtch, a wedyn cwtsio. Cysani, cwtsio a siarad.
Talking.
Dwi wedi siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi
Yeah.
wedi siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi wedi siarad llawer o Gymraeg. Iawn? So mae siarad as in Sioned Wyn Siencyn, ynddo? Iawn, ie?
Da we wedi enjoyo.
Dwi wedi enjoyo, da iawn. Okay. Enjoyo. Da iawn.
Dwi wedi enjoyo.
Ia,
Let's say what it was.
Mae'n bosib dweud mwynhau hefyd, mwynhau, joio. So enjoyo, neu just joio. Bosib just joio.
Jenna
Joio.
wedi bwyta
Boyd. Boyd.
Mae Jenna wedi... Right, so now then. Yn lle dwi wedi, if you say somebody else has, okay, so lle dwi wedi says my. So dyma ni, my, whoever has done something, wedi, mae Jenna wedi bwyta mwd. Neu dy Sam.
What does it really mean? What does it mean?
Just getting dirty in the mud.
Yeah.
No, what does it really mean? 'Cause I
Yeah,
don't
wedi
really-
bwyta mwd. You've eaten mud.
I have eaten mud.
Wel, oedd yn mynd i bob man, yn doi pan oedden ni'n neud y beth Bear Grylls, oedd mwd yn mynd i mewn i bob man. So,
So that be the same for the...
Iawn, yw mwyd.
Mae Sian wedi peintio.
Da iawn, mae Sian wedi peintio. Da iawn, gwych. Da iawn, gwych. Great, iawn, okay. So now, instead of saying what you have done, think of one of the others, follow his lead and think of somebody else,
Yeah,
others,
follow
and
me,
say,
baby.
mae Sioned wedi, mae...
Okay, I go on.
Go on.
Mae nef wedi damsio.
Oh, mae nef wedi dawnsio. Da iawn, arferchog, greit, iawn.
You've been thinking about that, haven't you?
Yeah. I prepared that one earlier.
My Sam
Yeah.
wedi sleep.
Cysgu?
Cysgu. My Sam wedi cysgu.
Mae Sam wedi cysgu, ie, tipyn bach, dwi'n meddwl, iawn, okay, right.
Oh, my Sam, dim cysgu.
Yeah.
Yeah, he hasn't been sleeping.
Oh, all right, okay.
Right.
So,
Come here.
os ydych chi'n dweud...
Mr T.
Yeah,
Mae ddrwg ni.
popeth yn iawn, dim problem. And as I was saying, that's the secret to learning Welsh. Dyna'r gyfrinach i ddysgu Cymraeg. Okay, so I hope that'll keep you in good stead one day, iawn? Okay, right, yeah, croeso, right, iawn, so. Okay, there we go.
So we finished now, haven't we?
That's the... Dyna gwanach ysgu Cymraeg.
Dyna'r gyfrinach i ddysgu Cymraeg. That's the secret to learning Welsh. We've just done that, so, felly, so. Yeah,
You've missed
felly,
that.
yeah, missed that.
Mae
Okay.
wedi
Ffail, o, rhaid rhaid i rannu felly. OK, wel, be dyn ni'n neud nawr? Dyn ni'n siarad am beth y mae pobl wedi wneud.
I'll peek now, that's it.
No, you've done very well.
I'll peek.
Keep going, keep going.
No. I need some,
Did he?
I need some tablets.
Dydy, so, fel o'n i'n dweud, right, mae Sam wedi cysgu. Na. Dydy Sam ddim wedi cysgu. Dydy Sam ddim wedi cysgu. So, mae a dydy ddim. So, ydych chi'n rhoi enw y person. Okay. So you can say, fel, dydy Jenna ddim wedi syrffio. Dydy Jenna ddim wedi syrffio. Mae Jenna wedi peintio. Iawn, okay? Dydy Sioned Wyn Siencyn ddim wedi peintio. Mae Sioned wedi syrffio. Okay? So, mae Eirian wedi dringo.
Ddo.
Mae eirian wedi dringo, ond dydy eirian ddim wedi...
Gwynedd peintio.
Peintio Gwynedd.
Peintio
Gwynedd, ie. Da
Mae
iawn.
Iwan yn triach syrffio, ond dim mynd lan I bwrdd.
Ddim, trio be?
Mae Iwan
Ie.
yn triach syrffio,
Right.
ond Iwan dim mynd lan I bwrdd.
Ddim yn lan y bwrdd, pa bwrdd?
The board?
Yeah.
Didn't get on the board.
Be heddi?
Ydw.
O, right, ie, na, nes I ddim sefyll. Ie, mi nes I syrffio ar y mol. Right, so mae Iwan wedi syrffio
Ar y bola.
ar y bola, ond dydy Iwan ddim wedi sefyll ar y bwrdd. Na, ddim wedi sefyll ar y bwrdd. Ar y bol, ond ddim ar y traed. Traed? Ie, so ddim ar y coesau. Ddim syth I fyny. Syth I fyny?
up.
Ie, syth I
You
fyny.
did
So,
understand
ni ddim yn syth I fyny ar y bwrdd, ond ni ar y mol. Ond, ie, felly, ac yn gyda breichiau, ie, yn y dŵr, felly, ie.
Is triach trwy?
Trio. So mae Iwan wedi trio. Mae Iwan wedi trio sefyll ar y bwrdd. Right? Ond dydy Iwan ddim wedi sefyll ar y bwrdd. So nes I drio, ond ddim wedi dweud, ie? Okay, da iawn. So this wedi. So nawr te, meddylwch chi nawr, if you wanted to brag about something. Okay, dych chi'n dweud, well, God. Yeah, dwi wedi dringo Kilimanjaro. 10 gwaith. It's bragio, right? So, dwi wedi cynwyo lawr o rapids mewn box matches, chybod, unrhyw beth felly, chybod, felly. Meddylwch chi am, make up some achievements, so dwi wedi, and think of something you may have done. Felly,
Dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed. What's in front?
o flaen,
Or fine, and then I have to say 100 million.
100 million.
100
Da
million.
iawn, that's okay.
What
So
do you think
dwi
I
wedi
played
chwarae pêl-droed
for 100 million.
o flaen, so o flaen in front of, 100 million ydi 100 million o bobl.
What's that?
100 million o bobl, 100 million people. You don't have to put the o bobl in. Ond dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed o flaen in front of, o flaen 100 million.
Do you want me to make some up now?
Yeah, go on then.
That's it?
Yeah,
no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Yeah. So,
Make some up
yeah.
now.
Dwi'n wedi siarad Cymraeg.
Yeah, dwi wedi siarad Cymraeg, yeah. Are you making that up, or is that true? Yeah. So, there we are. As we were saying, that's the secret to learning Welsh. So, don't forget that very important point, okay?
Just like that.
Right, okay, yeah. So, yeah, sorry. Oh,
I'll keep up.
They did the same thing when I came in.
yeah, so did he...
You just clicked on what you've done. I was like, yeah, oh, so that's the secret. All right.
Yeah, so, yeah. So, ben, did he neud, we're talking about what we have done, achievements. So, I never wedi dweud, dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed o flaen 100 million. He's played football. Dwi wedi chwarae pêl-droed.
Before a million people?
Yeah, in front of 100 million. 100 million. 100 million.
Around the world.
So, yeah.
So the Cup final gets televised around the world.
Yeah, so dyna ni, felly, yeah.
It's a nice gig.
So, almost the same audience as Cariad, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so who else wants to brag? This is the bragging bit, right? Because dych chi'n dweud, oh, dwi wedi. Like, ti eisiau bragio?
I'm trying to think of something to brag about.
So you were quiet. That'll be an interesting one.
I don't know how to say I was quiet.
I know you don't.
Damn sure.
Famous painter.
Oh.
That's paintio, isn't it?
What's that?
So it'd be, or it'd be Enno. Paintio, isn't it?
Peintio?
Enno. So the famous.
Famous painter.
Oh.
Yeah, dwi wedi...
Peintio.
What about your
to say,
dancing?
enwog is famous.
Yeah, famous. So,
Peintio.
So, dwi wedi peintio llun enwog. The famous painting, you ready?
Clean. Do I say that as well? Clean.
Yeah, so dwi wedi peintio, I have painted.
A famous picture.
Famous picture, famous person.
No, I want to say I'm a famous
am.
painter.
I am. Ah, that's not the same. So, what you would then say is arlenydd. Arlenydd is a painter. Enwog.
Enwog.
Dwi.
Dwi.
Because you know the dwi.
Yes,
Dwi after
dwi.
right. So arlunydd enwog, dwi. So what have you done as an arlunydd enwog? You'd say dwi wedi peintio, and you could say you may have painted the portrait of him. Did you?
Well, she had a go.
Yeah. So dwi wedi peintio,
Dwi wedi
llun
Llun
o nef.
o nef.
Right, da iawn, ardderchog, okay. Rwy'n arall,
Put my full title in.
achievements. You can make them up if you make them up. Right? No, no, you can make them up, right, felly, right? Yeah.
Dwi wedi canu yn Albert Hall.
A dwi wedi canu yn yr Albert Hall.
Yn yr Albert Hall.
Da iawn, ardderchog, dwi wedi canu yn y bath. Felly, right, iawn.
What's the Welsh for I was going to say that?
O'n i'n mynd i ddeud hynny, o'n i'n mynd i. Ro'n i'n mynd, o'n i'n mynd, I was. So, Roni, I was.
Roni.
Yeah.
Roni'n mynd i...
Yeah, I was going to.
Something siarad that.
That's all. Dyma ni, Roni, but on pan ti'n siarad, you can actually leave out the r. But o'n i'n...
So
I
that's
was.
like, that's like right. Right,
Yeah. O'n i'n mynd I was going to.
Yeah, I was Roni'n mynd
Ro'n
i.
i'n mynd i, and siarad
Siarad.
is to speak, to say ydi dweud. Ro'n i'n mynd i ddweud.
Dweud.
Soft mutation. Ro'n i'n mynd i ddweud that. Company that in Gymraeg was that.
Bod.
A bod is that, I think that, no. Point, os ych chi yn Gymraeg pwyntio,
Na.
hwnna, neu hynny, yeah. Mynd i ddweud hwnna o hynny, yeah. Hwnna is specifically when you're pointing to it. But I was going to say that in general. Ro'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny. So just, you know, if you're going to say something and somebody else says it quickly, you can say, oh, well, yeah, ro'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny. I was going to say that. O'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny. O'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny. So dwi wedi canu yn yr Albert Hall. O'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny.
O'n i'n mynd i ddweud hynny.
Iawn. Okay. Beth yn fel ti? Well, brag about something. Unrhyw beth?
Oh, what can I brag about?
Unrhyw beth?
I'll have to make some up.
Iawn.
So brag about your law degree.
Right.
It's an achievement.
So dwi wedi?
Dwi wedi.
Be?
Cysgo Peter Andre. Cysgo Peter Andre.
My house.
What about Peter Andre?
Dringo Kilimanjaro?
Best friends with Peter on.
How would I say that? I wish.
I bet.
I'm best friends with Peter Andre, would it?
That's what I am. You would say, dwi'n ffrindiau da hefo Peter Andre. Dwi'n ffrindiau da gyda. But you say dwi wedi, something you may have done. You may have run a marathon. You may have swum the channel. You may have wrestled with tigers.
I've swum with sharks.
Okay, so beth ydi I have swum with sharks?
Nofio gyda...
Dwi wedi nofio.
Yeah, nofio. So dwi wedi...
Dwi wedi nofio
gyda siarcod.
Gyda siarcod.
Dwi wedi.
So dwi wedi nofio gyda siarcod. Da iawn, arferchog. Anybody else? Anything else?
I haven't really done
Go on,
that.
then.
I have sung
Yeah,
at Dwi wedi canu
Yeah.
yn y Albert Hall,
Yeah.
a Broadway,
Yeah.
a Australia,
Yeah.
a Japan,
Uh-huh.
a Thailand.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be funny.
It's funny.
Is that a serious one or is that like...
Na, dim ots.
It was funny. You laughed. It was funny.
Whatever. Ie, dych chi'n gallu, license, mae gyda chi, dych chi'n gallu dweud y gwir, the truth, neu dych chi'n gallu, right?
Was that the truth? That's what I'm
Right,
saying.
yeah.
Like, oh yeah,
Neud
that's
yn ei
cool.
gallu is not the truth.
Yeah, ia'n bosib. Y gwir, neu neud y fyny. Right, okay, Sam rwan, ia?
Fi wedi cael
Llun?
llun gyda Stephen Gerrard.
Oh, right, da iawn. Right, dwi wedi cael llun.
Favourite.
Dwi wedi cael llun, I've had a picture, gyda Stephen Gerrard. Okay,
Can I
iawn.
say I've been an ice dance champion?
Right, so,
Dwi wedi.
dwi wedi bod,
Dwi wedi bod.
dwi wedi bod yn pen... This is the word for
Ice
champion.
dancing champion. I'd love to be an ice dancing champion.
Pen camp wraig.
Can.
Right, pen
Right.
camp. If it was a pen camp or it was a male champion, pen camp wraig, female champion.
female.
So dwi wedi bod yn ben camp wraig. Dwi wedi bod
Dwi wedi bod
yn ben camp wraig.
yn Ben Campraig.
Was it
Ice dance champion.
OK. Dawnsio rhew.
Dawnsio.
Dawnsio, ie, ar ia neu ar yr hew.
Dancing on ice. Dancing on ice. Dawnsio ar ia.
Dawnsio ar ia. Rhew. O, say ia then, ia.
Ia.
Dawnsio ar ia. Ia yn y de, yr hew yn y gogledd. Yeah?
So pen campraig is champion if you're a woman.
Yeah, and pen campo is champion if you're a man.
Now, is that because there's a different for man and woman?
Yeah.
Not just male and female, is that
Male
different?
and female, yeah. Achos beth sydd gyda chi pen camp or and pen camp wraig.
So or is male, wraig is female.
Yeah, because gwr is husband, gwraig is wife. So ffermwr,
You said yeah.
is it the man or a woman? Ffermwr. Man. Ffermwraig.
A woman.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Right, Diane, just Diane. So you can say dwi wedi. I have done something. Dwi wedi. So you can say dwi'n in the present tense, right? Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg rwan. Dwi'n byw yn wain fawr. Dwi'n byw, I live. Dwi'n byw. So dwi'n byw yn, I live in, wain fawr. We say dwi wedi byw yn y rhyl. Yeah, dwi wedi byw yn y rhyl. Now 10, y dyfodol. What happens in the future? Well, now 10, da ni'n mynd yn ôl i wneud hyn. So dyna'r... Now, looking to the future. So let's have a timeline.
You did a really good one there.
Dwi wedi cysgu Sharon Stone.
You need a gidda in there, otherwise you mean otherwise you would have put it to sleep. So do we wedi cysgu gidda? Do we wedi cysgu gidda? Okay. Right. Okay.
She has.
Barod? Iawn, beth ni'n mynd i wneud nawr ydy, right, dyn ni wedi dwi'n, I am doing something, dwi wedi, I have done something, ac nawr, look to the future, bydda un, I will be doing something. So you can say, wythnos nesa, that's next week, wythnos nesa, bydda un, and you could say canu yn yr Albert Hall, bydda un chwarae pêl-droed, and bydda un, that's the future, like bydda un, I will be doing something. So wythnos nesa, you could say bydda un ffilmio, or bydda un, yeah? Beth mae'n actio yn, yeah? So that's the future, bydda un. Ac digwydd beth nawn ni nawr ydy, just to get this into your head, dwi'n mynd I ddweud diolch yn fawr iawn i'r grŵp Cariad iaith llynedd, because they actually came up with a song to remember the future tense, yeah? So I continually plagiarise it. Felly, so beth ni'n mynd I wneud ydy, wrth y llynedd, oedd gyda ni un bachgen ar y cwrs o Tonga. So mae'r gan yma, this song comes from Tonga, and will help you learn your future tense yn Gymraeg. So pawb ar eich traed, because you want to remember your future, you won't have a future.
I can't sing and remember.
Okay, do you want to watch then, yeah?
I'd like to watch.
Okay, so watch what we're doing, okay? So we're going through the whole tenses, yeah? Okay? So this is I will, you will, he or she, he will, she will. We're going to stick to the, let's stick to the South Walian. Bydd since you're all South Walians, yeah? Bydd and even Nev, mae o yn byw yn y de, lives in South Wales. So byddwn ni, we will, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Leave out the N for now, right? So it's bydda I, pawb? Bydda I, byddi di, bydd bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. So bydda I will, byddi di, you will, bydd he will, bydd hi, she will, byddwn ni, we will, byddwch chi, you will, byddan nhw, they will. Okay, so am I mynd fel hyn? Okay, so now 10, I'm dressed for the part. Agus beth ni'n neud ydy bydda I, byddi di, bydd bydd hi, byddwn ni, byddwch chi, byddan nhw. Yeah, so it's canol Tonga ydy hyn, you do the hula iddo fo, felly, right? O'r top, okay? Bydda I, byddi di, bydd hi, Byddwn ni, byddwn ni. Byddach chw, byddach chi. Bydda i, byddi di. Bydd fe, bydd hi. Byddwn ni, byddwch chi. Byddan nhw, byddan nhw. Da iawn, so eisteddwch chi lawr. So, nawr ten, pawb i roi un llinell, one line, what you will be doing wythnos nesa. So, wythnos nesa, next week, dych chi'n dweud, wythnos nesa, wythnos nesa, if you're one of these jet setters, you can say, wythnos nesa, bydda I yn Thailand. Or wythnos nesa, bydda I yn... So, wythnos nesa, wythnos nesa. So, wythnos, how many evenings, how many nights do you have in a week? Eight, okay.
Oh, no.
So, wythnos nesa, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n... Now, wythnos nesa, mae'n bosib dweud bydda i'n plus a verb, an action. Bydda i'n canu, bydda i'n sgio, bydda i'n... Or you could actually put a place in there. Okay, you can put an action, a verb, and fanna. Neu, you can put lle, place. So you can say, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n Madrid. Trwy'r wythnos. O wythnos nesa, bydda i'n canu yn Madrid, if you want to say, right, yn plus lle as well. Add on to it. So let's think, you have jet setter lives. Okay, you can say, wythnos nesa, bydda I yn Hawaii. Wythnos nesa, bydda I yn surfio yn Hawaii. Wythnos nesa, it's down in my calendar. So for this Cariad iaith, neud ar y wyren, na wythnos nesa, bydda I yn surfio yn Hawaii. Yeah? Okay, beth yn dafod chi? So come up with something. Be fyddwch chi'n neud wythnos nesa? So wythnos nesa, bydda i'n...
Wythnos nesa, bydda i'n Barbados.
Da iawn, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n Barbados. What will you be doing? Be fydda di'n neud yn Barbados?
I'll be hula.
Yeah, well, wrong ocean, on the bottom, o'n i felly rhaid iawn. So bydda i'n gwneud yr hwla. Bydda i'n gwneud? To do yr hwla.
To do our hula.
Ie, bydda i'n gwneud yr hwla. Da iawn, bydda i'n gwneud yr hwla. Iawn, rhywun arall?
Wythnos nesa, bwyd i'n casgu bodrum.
Cysgu yn very drwm iawn. Yn drwm iawn. So, wythnos nesa,
Wythnos nesa,
bydda i'n cysgu
bydda i'n casgu.
yn drwm iawn.
A bodrum is called...
Yn drwm iawn, very heavy?
No, Bodrum, the place in
Bodrum
Turkey.
is the place I'm going to next
Bodrum.
week.
Turkey.
He thought I was speaking Welsh.
Okay. Cut. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's it.
Sorry, class.
Yeah. So anyway, so
what's the secret again?
Yeah. Well, you've got the secret now. So
Oh, yes. No need to tell us.
That's the secret to learning Welsh.
Yeah.
5 minutes
Pawb yn
ago.
hapus efo hynny? Yeah. Okay.
You're fluent now.
Right, yeah.
Just giving us the secret.
Okay. So, okay, mae'n ddrwg yna. Ddim... Not... Right, okay. Iawn, forget that. Right, iawn, so, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n...
Casgu I bodrum?
Bydda i'n cysgu yn bodrum. Da iawn. Wythnos nesa, bydda i'n cysgu yn bodrum.
Wythnos nesa, bydda i'n...
Mae hynny, right, okay, iawn.
Pen wythnos nesa.
Oh, pen wythnos nesa. Beth i pen wythnos?
What's that the week after?
No, pen.
Oh, last. Oh,
End of the week, weekend.
Weekend? No, penthnos nesa. Next weekend.
Next weekend.
Yeah.
Bydda i'n canu
Yeah.
yn Hippodrome Theatre, Llundain.
Dyna fo, bydda. Da iawn. Pen wythnos
What's Welsh
nesa.
for some tickets still available?
Right. Cynnau dal ar gael. Dal ar gael.
I'm never going to need that
Yeah,
phrase.
Iawn, rhywun arall, right?
Pen wythnos. Is that before?
Extra weekend.
Iawn, rhywun arall?
Nesa, bydda i'n gweld Stevie Wonder
Ia.
yn...
You can't see you.
Beth yw Italy?
Yr Eidal.
Yn yr eidal?
Yn yr eidal. So, wythnos nesaf, bydda i'n gweld Stevie Wonder yn yr eidal.
Yn yr eidal.
Ia, da iawn. O, gwych, da iawn. OK. Rwy'n arall?
Not next week.
Nofio Niagara Falls.
Right, wythnos nesaf, bydda i'n nofio yn Niagara Falls. Da iawn. OK, right, iawn.
Mewn barel?
Can't swim in a barrel.
I will be doing something.
Float.
Right, gen ti rhywbeth?
Wythnos nesaf, byddai'r un... oh, where can I go? Somewhere hot. Where can I go?
Seychelles.
Seychelles.
Bydda i'n mynd i'r Seychelles?
Mynd i'r Seychelles.
OK, bydda i'n mynd i'r Seychelles.
What's last week?
Wythnos but you've not got the bydda i rwan,
Oh, it wouldn't have a bydda.
Yeah, OK, then, yeah.
What would be wythnos nesa, bydda un swimming with alligators?
Right, beth i swimming, nofio,
O nofio
gyda
alligators.
So,
Nofio gyda.
wythnos nesa, bydda i'n nofio gyda alligators, yeah?
Yeah.
Da iawn, OK. Be amdano ti?
Wythnos nesaf, fi'n mynd i pigo... pigo fy dad fi o Ffrainc.
Right, iawn. So,
Yeah.
wythnos nesa, bydda i'n mynd i pigo fy nhad i. O casglu, ys ti eisiau? Casglu, to collect.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n casglu, to collect.
Can't wait.
What are you doing?
Collecting his father, picking up his father. Right? So, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n casglu fy nhad. O Ffrainc. O Ffrainc. Yeah?
Picking up your father from France.
Yeah, collecting and picking him up, yeah. Felly, yeah. Ti eisiau trefod? So, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n... What will you be doing next week? Wythnos nesa, bydda i'n...
Wythnos nesaf, bydden ni'n... what bydden ni'n mean?
Bydda i'n, for me.
For me.
But byddwn ni'n, we will be.
So how do you say I'm going to? So bydden ni'n mynd?
Yeah.
Bydden ni'n mynd i'r Llundain?
Yeah, da iawn. So, wythnos nesa, bydda i'n mynd i Lundain. Da iawn. OK, da iawn, adnachog. OK, wel, gan ni gyd yma nawr, beth am i ni droi ar y ffail, OK, tudalen 10, os gwelwch yna, tudalen 10.
Ar y ffeil.
Tudalen 10 ac 11. 10 ac 11. Sydd yn dechrau gyda... O, dyna beth oed. O, gallu di rhannu? Ia.
I will be going.
Yeah. So bydda un, I will be doing something. You said, so bydda un mynd, I will be, bydda un dawnsio, bydda un garddio,
Dancing in the garden.
Yeah.
Yn y gar.
Yeah, so Dewey would be I am.
Right, now then, tudalen 10, okay? Sy'n dechrau gyda, dyna beth odd. So tudalen 10, dyna beth odd. How strange. So, what a strange thing. Dyna beth odd. Dyna beth odd? Dyna beth odd? Yeah. Dyna beth odd?
Because I thought Beth was what?
Yeah, beth is what? Peth means thing.
Peth.
Because actually, beth is short for pa beth. So pa beth, which means which thing, becomes beth.
So,
Dyna beth odd. That's a strange thing.
right, okay.
So dyna, so you know dyma, dyn ni wedi gwneud dyma, when you introduce yourself to the camera, dych chi'n dweud, oh yeah, dyma Heddap Dafydd, dyma Irfon Ifans, dyma Mafani Evans Dychones, dyma ydi introducing dyma, ond dyna ydi there is. So dyna beth odd, there's a strange thing, so dyna beth odd. So if you hear, oh, dyna beth odd, you're amazed by something, oh, dyna beth odd. You're taken aback. 1, 2, 3. Dyna beth odd. 1, 2, 3. Dyna beth odd. Meddyliodd Manawydan. Mae hi'n nos Wener heno.
Mae hi'n nos Wener heno.
Ac mae holl staff y llys
Mae'r holl staff y llys
wedi cael, so they have had, wedi cael y noson
Wedi cael y noson.
I ffwrdd. So I ffwrdd ydi away. Dych chi'n cofio ni'n dweud I ffwrdd â ni. Away we go, off we go. I ffwrdd â ni. Yeah?
Why is it sometimes hot and sometimes I gyd?
We've only got a week. So felly, na ni skipio hynny felly. Rhaid ti am mwy. Ond fel arfer, yr holl comes before something, I gyd comes after. Right? I gyd ydi, we say, y bwyd I gyd, all the food, okay? But whole stuff means all the stuff, but it just, some of them you use whole stuff, or the stuff I gyd, no difference really, but whole comes before, I gyd comes after, so. Yeah, okay. So we've only got a week to explain this, so... Okay. So, wedi cael y noson I ffwrdd, I fynd I ddawns.
I fynd I ddawns.
Yng nghlwb nos, morfil o amser. Right. Dwi'n siŵr.
Dwi'n siŵr.
So dwi'n siŵr, handy dandy phrase. Dwi'n siŵr, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. So look certain about something. Okay, look, yeah, so somebody asks you a question, dwi'n siŵr. Dwi'n siŵr. Be totally, sort of, yeah. Dwi'n siŵr. Dwi'n siŵr. Yeah, dwi'n siŵr. So dwi'n siŵr bod that. Dwi'n siŵr bod neb. Nobody, neb. Siŵr bod neb tu allan. So tu allan ydi outside. Yn cnocio. Yr amser yma o'r nos. Yr amser yma, this time of night. Yeah. Mae'n rhaid. So it must, so rhaid is a must. If you have a rhaid in a sentence, it means must. Okay? So rhaid I mi, I have to do something. So mae'n rhaid mai dim ond. So dim ond is only something, right? So if you say paned, llefrith, siwgr, or llaeth, a siwgr, you say dim ond llaeth. Just milk, just only milk, no sugar. Dim ond llaeth, okay? Mae'n rhaid mai dim ond sŵn y tonau. Sŵn y tonau. We had tonau heddiw when we were surfio. Sŵn y tonau oedd hi. Gwaelod y môr. Yn taro. Hitting, striking. Yn taro. Yn erbyn y drws. Ac felly, heb feddwl mwy. So meddwl, heb feddwl mwy am y peth. And I heb feddwl, without thinking any more about the thing about it, nôl ag o. So nôl ydi back. So when you're doing band dances, you go mlaen, 2, 3, 4, nôl, 2, 3, 4. Mlaen, nôl. If you Kevin is actually back. Oh. So the back of the room. But if there's motion, it's nôl. Okay. So nôl ag o. So if I say, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know, there's nothing to see here. Please move back. Ewch nôl. Go back. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt your flow. I've got a question about oedd hi. Now that's obviously from roedd, was, but I can't see anything corresponding to was in the phrase before. If you look at in the English version. Mae'n rhaid mai dim ond sŵn y tonau oedd hi.
Yeah.
And it must have just been.
Yes, it must have just been was. It's not translatable exactly. So it must have just been. It must just have was or just was.
All right.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. Sometimes tenses don't translate exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Felly, nôl go I wylio'r rhaglen. Dros y dudalen, ymhen rhyw chwarter awr. Ymhen rhyw chwarter awr, fodd bynnag. Dim yn fwn clywed. Sŵn cnocio uchel unwaith eto. Ar ddrws y llys. Be oedd hynny? Meddyliodd Manawydan. Sŵn rhywun yn cnocio ar ddrws y llys. Well I mi fynd. So well I mi fynd, I'd better go. I weld. Pwy sy'n na? A dyma Manawydan yn cerdded draw. Ac ddrws drws y llys. Roedd o ar fin agor y drws.
Roedd o ar fin agor y drws.
Pan feddyliodd o, mae hi nos Wener heno. Ac mae holl staff y llys wedi cael y noson i ffwrdd. I fynd i ddawns. Yn bob nos morfil o amser. Mae hi'n anhebygol iawn. It's very unlikely. Mae hi'n anhebygol iawn. Anhebygol. Iawn, bod neb tu allan yn cnocio yr amser yma o'r nos. Mae'n siŵr. Mae dim ond sŵn y tonau oedd hi yn taro yn erbyn y drws. Nôl i tudalen 10. Let's do a quick tennis nawr gyda tudalen 10. So dyna beth oedd meddyliodd. Nôl i tudalen 10. Tudalen 10. Nôl, ewch nôl. So, top tudalen 10. Dyna beth oedd meddyliodd. Mae hi'n nos Wener. A mae holl staffer wedi cael y noson i fynd i yn hwb nos morfil o. Dwi'n siŵr bod neb ti yn yr amser yma o'r nos. Mae'n rhaid mai dim ond sŵna oedd yn taro'n erbyn y drws. Ac heb feddwl mwy am y nôl ag o i wylio'r
Peth o peth? Peth.
Ymhen rhyw chwarter awr fodd bynnag dyma fo'n sŵn cnocio uchel unwaith eto ar ddrws y llys. Be oedd hynny meddyliodd? Sŵn rhywun yn cnocio ar ddrws y llys. Well i mi fynd i weld pwy a dyna Manawydan yn cerdded at ddrws y llys. Roedd o ar fin agor y pan feddyliodd mae hi nos Wener ac mae holl staff y wedi cael y noson i fynd i ddawns yng nghob nos morfil o amser. Mae hi'n anhebygol bod neb ti yn cnocio yr amser yma o'r nos. Mae'n siŵr mai dim ond sŵna oedd yn taro'n erbyn y drws. Iawn, oce, da iawn. Tonau, waves. Ton ydy un, tonau ydy mwy nag un.
Ar y tonau?
Syrffio ar y tonau. Oce, nawr ten. Cyn i ni wneud rhain, dyn ni'n mynd i gymryd geiriau nawr ten, oce? Mae gen i Harry Hapus, un Harry Hapus ar ôl i wneud, ond dyn ni'n mynd i wneud, cyn i ni wneud yr Harry Hapuses, dyn ni'n mynd i edrych ar geiriau. Un.
These new words?
Ie, maen nhw'n bellach maen nhw'n stori. Geiriau newydd, ie. So, dyma ni. So, dyma chi. Ie, ffeiliau ar y llawr yma nawr. Dyma ni. Okay. So, dau gen ti fyna. Okay. Dyma ti, un arall.
I don't know these.
Right, iawn.
O'r grŵp.
O'r grŵp. Dyma ti.
Be oedd hynny?
Dyma ni.
Yeah, got it.
Anhebygol. Right, okay. Iawn. Pam cael tri, dwi'n meddwl, na roi tri i bawb. So, edrychwch arnyn nhw.
I just looked at, he's got the word prawn.
Prawn.
Well, it's prawn.
Prawn to something?
Prawn. Prawn da.
Prawn.
That's half.
Right.
It's not.
It's what?
Serious?
It's what?
Geography.
Canol?
Yeah, it is.
What you think? Yeah, it is. Is it?
Iawn.
Brazilian.
Ardal. Right, mae tri gyda phaw. Right, tri o eiriau. Edrychwch ar eich geiriau, you may not know what they mean. Ond then you weithio arnyn nhw nawr te dweud y geir. Right.
Gyfeiriau newydd.
Geiriau newydd i gyd. Oes rhywun gyda geiriau ydych chi'n gwybod? Anyone you know already? O geiriau, yeah?
Fi'n meddwl cerddorfa is musician or something to do with music.
Yeah, okay. Cerddorfa ydy orchestra. Orchestra. So cerddor ydy musician. Cerddoriaeth ydy music.
What I mean, orchestra.
Orchestra. Cerddorfa ieuenctid Caerheddi. The Youth Orchestra. Cerddorfa. Iawn, okay. And the word, you know, gair?
Quarter?
Beth sy'n gen ti? Chwarter. So beth ydy chwarter?
Quarter.
Chwarter ydy?
Quarter.
Quarter. Chwarter. So chwarter awr, quarter of an hour. Chwarter. Chwarter. Iawn?
You sure?
Is that half or second?
Hanner, yeah. Half. Hanner.
I don't know that because of football.
Right, rhywun arall gyda rhywbeth?
Cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth.
To be kidding me.
I swear. It's my new favourite word.
Competition.
Cystadleuaeth competition.
Sam thinks diddordeb is geography. Oh, you liar.
Don't listen to it.
Beth ydy diddordeb? Interest. Diddorol is interesting. So diddordeb ydy interest. Take an interest in something, yeah?
How's that different from
I don't know
mine?
any of these.
Geography.
How's that different from
Gawn ni fynd fan hyn. This one, ardal.
Ardal?
If you say, dwi'n dod o ardal Caerdydd, or dwi'n dod o ardal Abertawe. Ardal. What is wrong? The area. So ti'n gallu bod, dwi'n byw yn ardal Llanrwst.
I thought you were saying the Dodo was from Abertawe.
Yeah, he's dead now, yeah. Felly, right, yeah. So, felly ardal is the area.
So beth yw corgymwch?
O, dyn ni'n neud ys hynny, corgymwch.
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 Yeah, corgymwch.
It's a command.
Now, what's a key? Key.
Clay? Clay? No.
Begins with a gut.
Is it clay? Is that French?
No, the Welsh word key means what in Saesneg?
Dog.
A dog?
Yeah, key. What's a corgi?
Dog?
Female dog. Big dog.
A boiler?
Small dog.
Small dog.
It's a dwarf dog, corgi.
My princess?
Yeah.
Corgymwch?
So corgi, Queen's corgis is a small dog, okay? So cymwch is a lobster, corgymwch.
A lobster?
Prawn.
Prawn, da iawn.
A small lobster?
Small lobster. Because I thought it was a command word because the uch.
Yeah.
But it just happens at
It just happens at the end.
Corgymwch?
Corgymwch is a prawn.
Prawn.
Salad corgymwch.
Okay.
Prawn salad. Yeah, okay.
How was that the same as hers? How was that the same as hers then?
As hers what?
What do you mean?
No, forget it back because that's the...
Oh, was it?
So newid means...
New.
Newydd is new. Newid ydy change.
Ardal o wonder.
Oh, yeah, it is, yeah.
Abdul Hanan is a comedian.
Iawn?
Father Ted.
Right, beth sy'n gyda ti fanna? Let's have un
I don't know any of these.
Right, okay.
Amynedd.
Amynedd.
No,
You know Amynedd?
thinking Amynedd.
You should know this one.
I think I should. Yes.
What is it? What is
I
it?
can't remember what it means.
Gwybod.
Gwybod.
To know.
Oh, no.
Oh, you should know that one. Yeah. Gwybod. Beth gofnadwy word, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beth gofnadwy. What's the word for word?
Gwybod, yeah.
Beth gofnadwy.
Cartref. I think I do know what it is, but I can't think what it is. But it's home. Oh, thank God I didn't say what I thought about. I road and jewellery.
Is it home or cartref at home?
Cartref is a home. Cartref ydy home. Right, okay, so then ni fynd, yeah. Ateb. Beth i ateb? No,
Ateb?
answer. Answer. An answer or to answer?
Do you know them, Jeff?
Rithro?
Rithro.
Running? Running? Hunting? Oh, no, together, isn't it?
Wythnos yma, fel heddiw, we've been rithro o gwmpas.
Busy. Rushing.
Rushing. Rithro. Do you rithro? Right, if you have busy lives, rithro. Rushing around, rithro. Okay?
Perchenog.
Perchenog.
I know that one. That's a fish. That's a cod. Is it a cod? No, it's a kipper.
No, it's a red herring.
It is a red herring, but it's an owner. It's an owner, the owner of something.
What's the name for herring again? Is it perchenog?
Now, where would you guess?
Penog. Penog. Perchenog owner. Penog herring. Da iawn.
Well, no.
Yeah, da iawn. Right, rhywun arall? This again ti. Ennill.
Rainbow.
Island.
Win.
No.
Win.
Win. Ennill ydi win. To win. Enlli ydi island. Envis.
Rainbow.
To win.
That's nice.
Iawn, da iawn.
Not win.
Go on. You go then.
Win.
Gwirion.
Win.
Gwirion.
Gwirion. Gwestiwn. Gwirion. Gwirion. Okay.
Okay. Amynedd.
Amynedd.
Gwirion dydd.
Amynedd. What? Amynedd. Is it something hillside or something like that?
No, it's mynedd.
It's nothing to do with
mynedd. They say, well, I want that. I want the answer now. You say, rwan.
Amynedd.
No. Amynedd.
Quickly.
Wait a minute.
Patience. Amynedd. So if you want something, rwan. No. Amynedd. Patience. Amynedd. Okay.
Quickly.
Yeah. Rwan, now. I want it now. Now or now. Yeah. Okay. Rhywun arall? Morfarch.
Oh, that was seahorse.
Seahorse, dyna ni. Da iawn.
That always goes to that.
Do I remember it? Mordor from Lord of the Rings.
Mordor.
Yeah.
Big Ebbis.
Big Ebbis. Do you know Big Ebbis?
What the?
Yeah, what the bleep? Yeah, what on earth? Yeah, Big Ebbis. Big Ebbis, dyna ni. Da iawn. Okay.
Question, Gwirion.
Right, rhywbeth arall? Yeah.
What's his one?
Anhebygol. Anhebygol ydi?
Anhebygol. We just did that one.
Yeah.
I was
Unlikely.
Yeah.
wasn't you?
What is
Enlightenment.
it? What is it?
Bugger all.
Anhebygol.
Anhebygol. It's unlikely.
It's not a nice word, that is it?
Yeah, anhebygol. Mae'n anhebygol. So you say, are we going to have ice cream cornets tonight? Mae'n anhebygol. Mae'n anhebygol. Yeah, it's not likely. Anhebygol. Iawn, okay. Rhywun arall? Neb. I know this. Stretch it. Neb. Nobody knows that word?
No one knows. None?
No one. Neb.
What's the word?
No one.
Neb.
No one.
Nobody. Neb. No one. Neb.
Next.
Nessa. Yeah? Right. Pwy sydd...
Glydd.
Gwledd.
I know that one.
Gwledd o liwiau. You can have a gwledd. Yum.
Lots of feast.
Feast.
Yeah.
Gwledd.
Who said feast then? You did. You're clever, aren't you?
Gwledd. Feast. Okay. Beth arall sydd gyda ni? Unwaith.
Again.
Unwaith. The eto. Eto is the again, but unwaith is once again. Unwaith eto. Once more into the bridge, dear friends.
Morfil.
We
Morfil.
know that.
Yeah, does it mean
Morfil o amser a...
whale?
Morfil.
No, does that come from sea then? Sea.
Yeah, it means... Morfil means a sea beast or a sea animal.
Sea beast.
I thought it was a sea calf.
No, that was a seal.
Sea lion.
Sea lion, Morlo, yeah.
Morlo.
Is a sea calf.
on them.
Right, rhywbeth arall? Brenin ydi... King. Iawn. Brenin ydi king. Neu sgwennu hwnna lawr hefyd.
Beth yw Brennan's
Coron. As in Corona. Remember the pop Corona? Yeah, Coron.
Is that Coron?
Yeah, well, it's the same route, yeah. Coron. Right, rhywbeth arall? Pawb wedi rhoi tri gair? We had you 3 words, tri gair?
Yes.
Iawn. Tri. 3.
Beth yw cwestiwn?
Right, I've given all the words.
Oh, yeah,
Ready? Ardal, Rithro,
Geiriau,
Card
tri
Game Off.
geiriau.
Nawr ten, so gyda chi fynd dros rhain gyda'n geiriau nawr. So brenin ydi cerddorfa, orchestra, chwarter, hanner, cystadleuaeth, competition, diddordeb, interest, ardal, the area. You can, right, corgimwch.
Doggy.
Little doggy. Yeah, prawn, okay. Newid. Change.
Well done.
Gwybod, you should know this.
No.
Cartref.
House.
Home, yeah. Morville.
Whale.
Ateb.
Answer.
Yeah. Rithro.
Rushing.
To Russia. Perchenog.
Herring.
Owner. Perchenog, the owner. Right. Ennill.
Win.
Gwirion.
Stupid.
Amanev.
Patience.
Morfarch. Seahorse. Big Gebis. What the? Yeah. Anhebygol. Unlikely, okay. Neb. No one. Gwledd. A feast. Unwaith. Okay. Lle gael y cardiau nôl os ywch yna? Yeah, just gael cardiau nôl.
Beth yw nôl?
Back.
Back.
Yeah. You come out to nôl, back. So if I gael cardiau nôl, can I have the cards back? Yeah, dyna ni. Nôl.
Nofio.
No, we don't. Can we do that?
Okay. Now, okay. Cilch, a circle. Cilch. Yn eich cadeiriau. Cilch cyfan. A full circle. Cilch cyfan. Pawb mewn cilch.
Are you laughing at this? You have a laugh, are you?
An eistedd? Yes, an eistedd.
William, what's help?
So, eistedd. Pawb yn eistedd mewn cilch. Na, ar y cadeiriau. Mewn cilch. In a circle, in the chairs, mewn cilch, yeah, okay.
Mewn cilch.
Here you go.
Circle.
See you later.
Okay, should we make a circle?
Yeah, cilch.
Never you moving round or?
No.
Okay,
I think maybe it's how Sargus needs the throw.
Yeah. Asio, ti eisiau gwybod mae'n rhaid i ddweud o dir o'n? Right, so cyna.
Come on, join. Dewch yma.
Mae person pwysig yma.
Yn y cilch?
Ia, yn y cilch. Na, dyma asioc, a mae asioc yn enwog, fo oedd... Cofio Martin Croydon? Yn os ymlaen, dysgwr y flwyddyn, Western of the Year. Oedd asioc wedi bod yn dysgwr y flwyddyn.
Na, ddim yn y rawn dyrfynol.
O, rawn dyrfynol, oce. So, mae asioc wedi dysgu Cymraeg, ond mae asioc wedi bod yn rawn dyrfynol final o dysgwr y flwyddyn, ac mae o yn gwneud raglen, program, tu ôl y llenni. Tu ôl.
Before.
Behind the curtains, behind the scenes, behind the scenes. So maen nhw'n gwneud this, as well as the Cariad iaith, there is a behind the scenes program. Felly mae Asiot yn cyflwyno.
What's presenter?
Cyflwynydd. Yeah.
My presenter on the back of one of my pieces of paper.
Yeah. So the card is over there.
It's in a different thing, okay.
So mae Asiot yn mynd i fod yn cyflwyno rhaglen, presenting the program. Tu ôl y llenni, behind the scenes, behind the curtains, mewn ffordd, okay? So, amdano chi, am y rhaglen a phob dim, felly, croeso. Croeso i'r cilch, right? So, of course, Asiog wedi dysgu Cymraeg yn rhugl, so dyna fo, dych chi'n gallu dysgu Cymraeg yn rhugl, so, yeah?
Dwi'n dysgu cwbl o geiriau newydd.
Iawn, cwbl o geiriau newydd, felly, right, iawn, okay. Felly, so, os dych chi'n gweld Asiog o gwmpas, dych chi'n gwybod beth mae'n neud, know what he's doing now, you can say, Simai Asiog. 1, 2, 3. Croeso i'r cilch.
Croeso i'r cilch.
Right, okay.
Cilch o gored.
Ie. Felly, be nawn ni nawr ydy, gyda'r geiriau yma. Pawb, bihafiwch, pawb i ddewis gair. Pawb i ddewis gair. Choose a word.
I can't see them. No.
Yeah, well, look at them and choose a word, right? Yeah, just un gair. Choose your favourite word and whoever chooses the word first and says it, that's their word.
Ardal. I'm going to choose one I don't
Be?
know.
Ardal. Hanner. Ardal. Hanner.
Morfil.
Morfil.
Gwledd.
Gwledd. Anhebygol.
Anhebygol.
What does it mean?
Cystadleuaeth, okay. Anhebygol, unlikely. Cerddorfa. Diddordeb. So it's pawb wedi cael un gair? Have you got one word?
No, but...
Right, so beth ydych chi geiriau? Right, anhebygol.
Ardal.
Ardal.
Cerddora.
Cerddorfa.
Cerddorfa.
Yeah. Hanner. Cystadleuaeth.
Gwledd.
Gwledd.
Morfil.
Morfil.
Diddordeb.
Diddordeb.
Gwybod.
Gwybod, okay. Os newch chi agor allan, na I ffitio i mewn hefyd, okay? Right, okay. Dwi'n dweud diolch yn fawr iawn i Irfon am hyn, because this actually is very similar to something he did efo pêl-droed y diwrnod o'r blaen. So dyna fo, so dyn ni'n gallu dweud diolch yn fawr iawn to Irfon, achos Irfon wedi wneud hyn. So, dyn ni eisiau rhain i lawr. I lawr, okay? Yeah, I lawr. So,
Tables down.
yeah? Okay, so felly, dwi nawr yn mynd i ddewis gair. Na I ddewis big ebyst.
Big ebyst.
Big ebyst. What the? Big.
What the fuck?
Iawn, okay.
Sorry.
Felly, right, yeah. So, big ebyst. So, felly, beth sy'n digwydd ydy, yn debyg iawn, dych chi'n cofio pan oedd Irfon yn dangos i chwarae pêl-droed, he would click the ball and he would change places a bethau felly, right, iawn? So, beth dyn ni'n neud gyda hyn ydy, dyn ni'n taflu tedi i mewn ac yn dweud ein gair ni, we say our word, iawn? So, os dwi'n dweud, a na I ddechrau gyda Irfon, because he's the inspiration. Irfon, dwi'n dweud big ebyst. So I said big ebyst. So now you throw that to somebody else and say your word. Hanner. Now ti'n taflu hwnna I rhywun arall? Pwy?
Diddordeb.
Diddordeb. And you throw that and say your word.
Ardal.
Gwybod.
Da iawn, okay. Iawn, ac wedyn, iawn, okay. So cariwch chi ymlaen, a wedyn, cariwch ymlaen.
Get it wrong over here.
Cariwch ymlaen.
Cerddora.
Big ebyst. Cariwch ymlaen.
Morfil.
Anhebygol.
Ia, mae un dan y sedd wedi cael hwnna. Ia, cariwch ymlaen.
Gwledd.
Gwybod.
Big ebyst.
Gwledd.
Anhebygol.
Cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth.
Big ebyst.
Morfil.
Big ebyst. Big ebyst.
Diddordeb.
Big ebyst.
Anhebygol.
Diddordeb.
Gwledd.
Morfil.
Big ebyst. Big ebyst.
Anhebygol. Anhebygol.
Big ebyst.
Diddordeb. Anhebygol. Anhebygol. Diddordeb. Anhebygol.
Big ebyst. Big ebyst. Big ebyst. Big ebyst. Big ebyst.
Cyfora.
Big ebyst.
Gwledd.
Big ebyst.
Diddordeb. Anhebygol. Cyfora.
Iawn, okay, da iawn. So nawr, dyn ni'n mynd I stopio nawr, a beth dyn ni'n mynd I wneud, dau beth ydy, un is a very good game for teaching prepositions. So, yeah, achos dych chi'n dweud rhywbeth fel, mae yna wahaniaeth rhwng taflu I a taflu at. Taflu I is to throw to, and taflu at is to pelt, to throw at. So beth dyn ni'n wneud ydy taflu I, you throw it to somebody, as opposed to at. Dwi'n cofio un tro, we were having an inspection, a daeth an estyn HMI, right, and at the dosbarth they were expecting this estyn HMI to come. Ac the estyn HMI was yn hwyr. He was 20 minutes late. So the class thought that the inspector wasn't coming. So they all relaxed, to popeth felly. And he turned up 20 minutes late. Wedi ymlacio. Ac dod nhw ddim yn hapus. So wedyn, pan dath i'r game yma, ac o'n i'n dweud, oh, sorry, so they were quite miffed that he was late turning up. So oedden nhw'n meddwl, okay, well, ni'n cael game, ac chi eisiau mean in the game, join in this game? He said, oh, okay, yeah. So the dosbarth, they were throwing it nicely to each other, and then with the HMI, they were pelting him. Ond dyn ni ddim yn neud hynny, dyn ni ddim yn neud. So dyn ni'n taflu at. Ddim taflu at, taflu i. Taflu i. Throw it to somebody so that they can actually catch it. Ddim taflu at, ddim palto, because there are hard bits in them. So, oof, felly, right. So, bit of a downer on the show, something loses an eye. Felly, iechyd a diogelwch. Iechyd a diogelwch. So nawr, dyn ni'n mynd I swapio geiriau. Okay? So dwi'n mynd I dweud, pasio gair ymlaen i'r chwith to the left. Okay? So, be gebyst? So, be gebyst,
gwybod.
Anhebygol.
Anhebygol.
Diddordeb.
Diddordeb. Mae'n
Morfil. Gwledd.
Ardal. What's that? It's music. It's orchestra.
Cyddorfa. Hit your R.
Terry Smells.
Ardal.
Cyd mochen.
Area.
Oh, area.
Okay.
Terry Smells.
Right, beth yw'r geiriau sy'n gyda chi? So, be gebyst?
Be gebyst.
Gwybod.
Gwybod.
Diddordeb.
Diddordeb.
Morfil.
Morfil.
Gwledd.
Gwledd.
What's mine? Cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth.
Hanner.
Hanner.
Cerddorfel.
Cerddorfa.
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 Perffaith.
Ardal.
Ardal anhebygol. Anhebygol. Barod ar ôl 3. 1. 2. A hanner. 3.
Cystadleuaeth.
Anhebygol. Anhebygol.
Gwybod.
Anhebygol.
Gwledd.
Anhebygol.
Diddordeb.
Gwledd.
Anhebygol. Anhebygol.
Ardal.
Morfil. Anhebygol.
Diddordeb.
Be gebyst.
Hanner. Cerddorfa.
Be gebyst.
Gwybod.
Anhebygol.
Diddordeb.
Anhebygol.
Gwybod.
Diddordeb.
Be gebyst.
Morfil.
Be gebyst. Be gebyst.
Anhebygol.
Ardal. Hanner.
Anhebygol.
Hanner.
Be gebyst.
Anhebygol.
Be gebyst.
Anhebygol.
What was the word for throwing at?
Taflu I and taflu at. So
Dim taflu I.
Na,
Dim taflu at. Dim taflu at. Naughty bachgen.
Right, so dim taflu at, taflu I. Taflu I. So pasio gair ymlaen. So be gebyst yn mynd I ti? Anhebygol.
Anhebygol.
Ardal. Anhebygol.
Diddordeb. What was mine again?
Gwybod.
It's Cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth.
Cystadleuaeth. Cystadleuaeth. Anhebygol. Anhebygol ydi unlikely. Likely ydi tebygol. Likely, tebygol. Anhebygol, unlikely. Okay, ardal ydw I, ie? Okay, alright, barod! Pawb yn barod! Dych chi'n gweld sgiliau fan hyn? Right, he never Southall an enwog. He's enwog for never having dropped a teddy. Right, okay, yeah. Barod ar ôl 3. 1, 2, 3. Ardal.
Gwybod.
Ardal. Ardal.
Gwybod.
Anhebygol.
Mae'n mysyn yn y gael. Ardal.
Anhebygol.
Ardal.
Anhebygol.
Ardal. Right, Tro olaf. Tro olaf. Tro olaf. Right, tro olaf.
Sounds like bigamist.
Tro olaf. Yeah, last time. Tro olaf. Tro olaf. So passion, right? So cerddorfa. It's ardal. Ardal.
Congratulations.
What was yours?
What? Gwyle. What does it mean?
Feast.
Oh, gwyle.
And coes... What? I don't know, what's the...
No, I'm trying to... What was the word that had bug in there? Another word with bug.
Gair ola. Okay, so gair ola. Right, barod. Okay, yn y zôn rawr.
In the zone.
Yn y zôn. Yn y zôn. Paratoi. Golwg. Hey, so don't paid a throi dy ben. Dim troi pen. Right, so felly tips nawr, dych chi'n gweld? Yeah. Felly, so dyna fe, dim troi eich pen.
As long as you can see him.
Wel, gwrandewch ar y meistr. Felly, gwrandewch. Felly, dim troi eich pen, felly fel hyn. So, yn y zôn nawr. Ar ôl tri. Chi'n gwybod eich geiriau. Cerddorfa. Cerddorfa, fi di cerddorfa.
What was your last one? What was your last one?
Ardal. Was it?
Sirmarc.
O, no, fi cerddorfa i fi.
Oh, no, ardal.
Ie, cerddorfa. Barod ar ôl tri. Un.
Gwybod.
Dau. Tri.
Hanner.
Gwybod.
Ardal.
Cerddorfa.
Hanner.
Ardal.
Cerddorfa. Walis.
Ardal.
Ei, cerddorfa. Cerddorfa.
Ardal.
Big Evans.
Cerddorfa. Cerddorfa. No, okay. Iawn. Right, stop. Na fo, digon. Iawn. Okay. Iechyd a diogelwch. Okay. Now, dydy bron yn bod, agos o'n i wedi dechrau'n hwyr, we're going to have a curtail this lesson, so mae gennych chi ddewis. Dewis y choice nawr, okay? Dewis ydy, dydy naill ai yn gwneud Harry hapus, iawn? Neu bingo. Ddwy dudalen. So, Harry hapus, yeah, okay. Harry hapus, okay. So, nen ni wneud Harry hapus is right. Felly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. So, okay, Harry hapus is, iawn. Os i ti eisiau mynd i mewn i'r para hefyd i weld sut mae'n neud hyn, okay. Right, iawn, okay. A mae dau air yn yr Harry hapus yma, which are not on the board. So, ewch o gwmpas rhyw fwrdd. Gen i cael chi nawr ten... chich dau, 1, 2. Os gawn ni... 1, 2. So, os neud i fynd hefo myfanwy... Okay. Os neud i fynd... efo brychan, okay. Os neud i fynd efo hedd, iawn, okay. So if you go together, iawn, okay.
You just called you a girl, man.
Na, ddim. Hedd, right. Felly, okay. So dyma, that's yours, right. Felly dyma eich chi'n chi, iawn. A wedyn,
What we're doing now?
So I
didn't mean to call you mate then, that was a mistake.
Dyna, chi'ch dau yn mynd gyda gilydd, oce? Wyt ti... Wyt ti... Oce? Wyt ti? Iawn, oce. So, wyt ti'n mynd gyda fo, oce, iawn. Ac a sioc os wyt ti eisiau mynd I fewn gyda...
Ti eisiau mynd I o'r tîm?
That first word has to be in one.
What do you want?
You need to find the smiley face. Yeah, let's put them all down first. Then you wouldn't find the smiley face English. Yeah, well.
Wedi.
Because the smiley face Welsh. It has to be, if it's smiley face Welsh, then these have to be in English. Really? Yeah. You have to translate that to the English word. So it's okay, we can check all the backs. First one has just... I don't think it's come up yet anyway. There. Okay, so I put all the Welsh down now, yeah? Yeah. And then we need to find the Welsh for feast banquet. I have no idea with these.
Oh, so these are all new words, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first one?
Feast or banquet. This was in the book, wasn't it?
So you start with the Cymraeg. So the Cymraeg, when they be funny.
Okay, so let's do elimination, okay? So
it's not quarter.
So chwarter, no. So morfa, you know morfa?
It's fish, is it?
No. Seahorse?
Seahorse, yeah.
So are you...
We're just doing it by elimination because we don't know this.
We don't know what.
Yeah, well, so, yeah, okay.
So others, question,
okay. Try and do the circles, see how it goes. Yeah?
But we don't know the...
No, you just try and... Yeah.
Okay, so Gwreiddiol. Do you know what we're going to find out? Through elimination.
Right.
Gwreiddiol.
Is it
Question, Gwreiddiol.
that?
Okay. So no.
I don't know, how do we find out?
What do you mean? Just gotta like know winning. I think that's feast. I'll do it a bit slanty just in case. Is it that? Centre or that? Do you think? I think it begins with a C. So it could be anything.
Are you just grabbing everything that starts with a C?
Yeah,
So we've got
I think it begins with a C. Oh no, it's not that. Because I know it's a long one. No, it's not called that.
This one maybe, or that one?
It's not that, because that's, it could be that.
That's orchestra, so it's not
So
that.
it's not that one, and that's competition. And that's called, do you know any... Oh, that's prawn.
Cyfryngau, that could... No.
Be Gerddoriaeth.
Oh, yes, yeah.
You know that one. Yeah, you do. You know that one. No, something in Ward C.
So, I don't know what that means.
Do we find the English, isn't it? We find the English,
find the English and...
So we turn it over.
Turn it over. Okay. King. Right. Oh, we know this.
Yeah.
King. Glen. No.
Brenin Maes Heli.
Maes Heli.
Brenin.
Oh, Brenin. I'm the Queen. Brenin, yeah.
Brenin.
Where's Brenin? Oh, here it is. Okay, then we turn it over.
Yeah. What did you just say?
Gweledd. Oh, Gweledd. Gwledd.
Gwlad. Think about it.
Oh, it's the same as that. Gwledd. Oh, presenter. Now, presenter is...
One of those two, isn't it? Yeah.
Was it that one? Or that one? Yeah. That one. Cyflynnydd.
For some reason, I thought it was spelled differently. It's got to be that one, so there's no other cup. No, that's it.
It's not porgy, because that's little, that's prawns.
Yeah.
Okay.
So area is the one you had before.
Ardal.
Yeah.
I remember that because of Ardal o Hanlan.
Yeah.
Owna.
Can you see them?
Yeah, I'm getting it, yeah. Perchenog. I kept thinking it was the fish.
The fish of the night.
Pennog yw'r...
Pennog, yeah.
Yw'r herring ydy?
Pennog ydi herring, yeah.
Pennog.
And what was cod?
Penfras.
Oh, to pen is the fish thing.
Yeah, pen is the head, because they're both fish with big heads.
Oh, so there's nothing to do with fish.
Silly.
It just happens to be those two fishes.
Silly.
Yeah.
Could be anything here.
Silly.
What is that? It's not neb, is it?
Na.
Hang on, let's go.
Gwreiddiol.
Gwreiddiol. Gwerion. Stupid.
Yeah.
Ah, see, there we are.
Silly.
Patience is...
You had that. Yeah, there are. Funny finger.
Funny fingers. Yeah. Amrywiaeth.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Amrywiaeth, okay. And then we got what on earth?
Big Gebist.
Big Gebist.
Begrillis.
To win.
That's why.
To win.
That's not neb, is it?
No.
No, that's no one, half. Ateb.
No.
No, it's not that.
And the cat on.
Let's do that one, okay.
We had to get one of them in the end, didn't we?
Oh, to win. Jessica Enid. Jessica Enid.
Yeah.
No one. Name.
Nib.
Answer.
That's not that one.
No, it's not that one, is it? I know what it is. No, it's not that one. Unwaith eto. No.
Na. Ateb.
Yeah, Ateb.
Question and ateb. Question and answer.
Once.
Is that?
Unwaith eto once again, yeah. Half.
Is that?
And then, so you know what this one, you know what that is then, without turning this round, you know what that one is?
What's on? That one?
Anhygoel.
Oh, no.
It is, and it's in my head and it's just popped out now, I'm searching for it.
So
it is unlikely.
Unlikely.
Unlikely. Diane.
Was it unlikely it popped out your head?
Yeah.
No help whatsoever.
Yeah, all right.
Correct. Diane.
Because that comes from Tebygol, so Tebygol is
No one
likely.
neb? Neb? No one? No one neb? Yeah. Answer. Oh, answer. Answer. Answer.
So you start off.
Ateb. Once upon a time.
Once. Gwybod? Once.
Newid.
Newid. Change. No, once.
Newid.
Unwaith. Oh yes, of course.
Unwaith.
Once again, unwaith eto.
Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Hanner.
Yeah.
Ooh. Unlikely event of...
Unlikely.
Diddordeb.
Diddordeb?
Poor guy.
Unlikely, newid.
No, it's not. Let's see what it isn't, okay? Quarter.
It's none of them, I know all them. Oh, cyhoeddi? Cyhoeddi? Oh, fuck.
It's one of these three.
Is it one of them three?
Unlikely.
There's no one.
I wouldn't feel that's been cheating.
No, we haven't.
Just read the words of what we've got here. So feast, presenter,
Yeah.
to rush,
Yeah.
whale,
Yeah.
seahorse,
Yeah.
prawn,
Yeah.
silly,
To know.
to know.
Yeah.
So how about morfach?
You're wrong, mate.
How do you know?
Hang on. Morfa.
No.
Oh yeah, where's our seahorse? Hang on.
Wait, the prawn is definitely right.
Is Morva, yeah.
This is definitely
And then
right.
it goes over to prawn.
So
Yeah.
seahorse goes to morfach,
Yeah.
then prawn is perhenna.
No, prawn is that.
No, it's not.
It
That's
is.
a small dog, you should have known that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a small prawn. It's the prawn. That
No.
corgi part is a small dog.
Oh, I was calling it a small dog.
Nah, it's prawn.
Thank you, Jenna.
Thanks,
Dim
Jenna.
problem.
Tuppan,
You didn't let you know. You can't say anything.
Should we just say that?
So what happens now?
Patient. Oh, thank you. Right, that's page. Right, if that's silly then.
Back to the corgi, is it?
Silly? Yeah. Right. Page. Oh.
You know, better now, but when I first started, right, my hands were tense up, you know, because I want to get this right. I don't want to look like an idiot, but lucky, so I can worry on. So it happens, in dysgu Cymraeg hefyd, felly. So
It's,
dyna fo.
it's weird, and I know I'll get through it.
Yeah.
But it's just strange to be at that point because I'm disappointed. I thought I'd
Don't do
be
the moment.
Yeah.
You heard my don't do the when
No.
Dyna fo. Yeah.
Oh, I can't learning well.
Byddi be?
Well, you know, Shemaid, and I was doing okay. And of course, every time I was trying to think of a word, I'd go, she went, don't do the From that moment, I just lost my confidence, and then I didn't want to talk to anybody. And it got to the point where if I saw her coming down the corridor, I'd go the other way. She was, because I felt, she'd knocked you down. Knocked me down, and she made me feel like a child. I felt like I was told off at school. It was really funny. I got so embarrassed. Don't do the And I really...
Morfil, whale. Rethrow, to rush. And then presenter is cyfryngau. And glaive.
Happy days. Yeah. I've got loads of patience, haven't I?
Hey, you know, remember the first time we did one of these, we looked for fucking ages, didn't we?
Yeah.
I mean, you know, by the final round, you got.
Yeah, we got most of those, yeah. And the ones we didn't get were the ones we hadn't had.
No, it's probably true.
Most of them.
Most of them words on a board, to be fair, for me. It is. I don't recognise most of them. I'm quarter, Hannah, no. That's only because of football.
Yeah. But that's the way to do it, is to actually...
Because I know it's ale hammer.
Yeah. Well, for fine words that are associated with things that you're interested in. Yeah. So, you know, with cyddoriaeth, or cerdd, it's music.
Yeah.
So, and then you probably see it around, because, you know, like tea cerdd and
well, it's a word I'm familiar with, because I work on music a lot, and I remember that because of that.
So suddenly you start to associate words with things you do every single day.
Yeah.
And for me, that's the way I've learned, is basically learn a set of words. Like, you know, I'm interested in football, I'm interested in cricket, you know, I'm interested in politics, you know, I've got family, so just learn groups of words around things that I do every day.
Yeah.
Well, I know I'm going to sit there, occasionally watch sgorio, so I'll go ail hanner, I'll go quarter, I'll go hanner amser, half time, you know, some things like that. You know, what was that one he said earlier about sending them off?
Oh yeah, I don't know. I just didn't listen.
But you know, quarter, you know,
what about joy? Yeah,
it's funny.
Achib, safe.
Achib.
Yeah,
but then now, if not, because there's a programme and it's Hennu on S4.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I know them.
And you said Arwythnos, on that programme, the week.
Yeah.
That was a programme, wasn't it? Like in the 80s or 70s.
Yeah. Hennu was one of them.
Hennu, yeah.
So, and then newyddion, is it one of the news?
Newyddion is news,
Yeah, so I know that.
Very good, Nev.
Getting them, mate. Getting them.
What was that?
I couldn't find today, a long day.
Fine. Okay.
Did you really do it today?
Oh, another one, yeah.
You did it up like today. Yeah.
What is no one?
No, we've messed up the name.
OK, cadio nôl at ei gilydd, iawn. OK, iawn. Greit, diolch yn fawr iawn. Iawn, croeso. Right, we're on the band.
One second.
Unwaith, yeah.
Unlikely.
Anhebygol. Yeah. You must have rhaid with chi, because mae pawb arall yn neud o. Hwna'n iawn. So, hwna'n iawn. Yeah, so dwi'n gwybod.
Sorry.
We done it, but we just missing a few. So
Mae'n ddrwg yna.
Morfil o amser.
Hold on, thanks for teaching.
Right, iawn. OK, chi'n rhoi rhain nôl at ei gilydd. Ydych chi'n elastic band i roi yna? Oes, mae un ar y llawr fan hyn.
Fan hyn, a fan hyn, a
fan hyn, a fan hyn. OK.
Fan hyn, a fan hyn.
Ddim yn dweud.
Diolch, Blodyn.
Had two shit shorts.
Morfil o amser.
Nôl mewn cylch. So chi'n nôl mewn cylch back in the circle. Ni gael gorffen. Be? Ie, os ydych chi isio.
Eistedd ar llaw.
Os ydych chi isio. Ond jyst i orffen y wers yn daclus cyn i ni fynd. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Little green things, what do you do them?
Your little game. Happiest game.
It's better than singing.
Right, barod i fynd nawr, da ni jyst gorffen gyda chan, a wedyn achos mae'n rhedeg yn hwyr iawn heddiw, dweud y gwir. So mae rhaid ni fynd i wneud cyfweliadau, interviews, so ni'n gwneud hwyl fawr ffrindiau, jyst i gael fynd o gwmpas yn eich ffennych chi, felly hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud.